Hey everybody, this is Ruben Restrepo, and today I want to show you how to tie a simple knot. Now, it's not exactly how it sounds, but it is exactly how it sounds. It's actually the name of a tie knot. It's called the simple knot, and it is a simple knot, but at the same time, it can be a little confusing. So the point is that it's a tie knot called the simple knot. Now, how does this go? So normally, you have the smooth side of the tie, right? Now, you have the other side, and that's where you end up seeing the seams. So normally what you do is you put the smooth side facing outward and the other side facing inward. And so I have my vest open so it's a little bit more manageable to see. And as you can kind of see right here, the smaller side is on one side, and then you have the longer side on the other side, right? The fatter side. And what I tend to do is I tend to go right here. And then you can kind of go by buttons like 1, 2, 3, and it kind of hits at 3 buttons right there. And then what you're going to do is actually have the lower side on top. Very big difference. So this is not, it's very similar to the 4-in-hand, right? But you're putting, it's reversed, and on top of that, you're putting the big side on underneath. Then you're going over, right? And you're gonna create that loop that we all love so much. And just like with the 4-in-hand, we're gonna go underneath and then through the loop. Pretty simple, right? Then we're just gonna come, bring it down, tighten it up right there, right? Now, usually, I'm not sure why I didn't do it this time, but usually it gives you that dip that you want, that dimple that you want. So, it goes right there, goes through the loop, and then I'm gonna try and step out a little bit so you can kind of see the length of it, right? So with the 3, when I use the 3 buttons, it kind of ends right there. So I have this last button and then my pants are right here. If you go a little bit higher, you'll get a little bit more length. Now I have a big belly, so the big belly plays a lot into where the tie ends up being. Also, big neck. I have a size 20, probably plus neck size, and so that plays a large portion into it. I think most people have a size 16, and so then you just have it right there. Flip this, right? And voila. I got a navy blue tie. Everybody should have a navy blue tie, and as you can see, it's a pretty simple knot. This is it for today. It's Ruben Restrepo signing off, so keep watching.